welcome to next degustation. This time Songbird, North Brewing Corporation 6% IPA. This rich, smooth IPA has flavors of sweet, juicy blueberry alongside sharp, fresh cut pineapple. Well, it sounds interesting. Ingredients: water, barley, wheat, hops, Citra Mosaic, yeast, and that's it. Okay, they said what hops they used. Lovely. Okay, let's open and have a try. Ooh, really citrusy. Ooh, right. Pale, very hazy, which makes it slightly orangey in the appearance. Small head, slightly off color. Small and medium bubbles. Big ones are developing. Nice exotic fruits. Mango, papaya, little bit of pineapple. But blueberry is a very faint aroma. Definitely. So I can't pick it up. But nice exotic fruits, definitely, with hint of citrus. Oh yes, quite nice. Let's have a try. Cheers. Quite light. But creamy enough. So it's like medium to full body, but it's 6%. Quite juicy. More citrusy than exotic fruits, but they are mixing together, and you have this like overlapping with those blueberry, kind of berry, not exactly blueberry, but kind of berry like fruity taste. It's quite nice. It has a little bit of tartness, and later on it is like slightly grapefruity bitterness. But it's more tart. It's more zesty. You know what? It's really refreshing and juicy beer. Very nice to drink, with nice combination of tastes and aromas. Lovely. I like it. Maybe not exactly like super hyper, you know, pineapple. No, it is there, but it's mostly like typical exotic fruits. So mango, papaya first, and then you can feel a little bit of pineapple. But still, it's very nice beer. Definitely it's worth a try. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this beer, so please like it, please subscribe my channel, and when you've done it already, hit the notification button in the shape of the bell. It will remind you about every new video on the channel, so you'll be up to date, and because of this you will not miss any new degustations. Of course, share this video with your friends. Cheers!